introduce Abide School. This is a school run in Hyderabad, recognized by the Telangana government, and this is a complete free school where we offer everything free for the children, including 2 sets of uniform, notebooks, textbooks. We give them stationery, and besides all this, we also provide medical aid for the children. And
classroom or what? Oh children, hi friends, you know I am most important organ. I only see and enjoy the beauty of nature.
Hi friends, nice to meet you. You all are sitting quiet, very good. Ah, what a sweet song. Abba, what is that sound? Okay, let it be. Do you want to know my name? I am here. It is so sweet. Oh, yes. This is also there. I also eat this. It is very good. You know, I am sun. Very hot today. Please switch on the fan. Ah, now it's very cool. Okay. My name is Skin. I cover all.
ईश्वर तेरे याद करे नित सांझ सवेरे तू अबदमाड़ पिदले वाक्यमले त्यावतमले आंध्र प्रदेश आसाम अरुणाचल प्रदेश बिहार छत्तीसगढ़ गोवा गुजरात हिमाचल प्रदेश.
After coming to this school, teach us very well, and our madam also teaches very well.
When I came to this school, I was very well, and madam also teaches us very well.
స్కూల్ పేరు అబాయిడ్ స్కూల్. ఈ స్కూలు ప్రారంభించిన సంవత్సరం 2011 ఈ స్కూలు ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ స్కూలు నడుపుతున్న వారు సామ్సన్ సార్, బాలా సామ్సన్ మేడం ఈ స్కూల్ నడుపుతున్నారు. ఈ స్కూల్ ఎందుకు ప్రారంభించారంటే తల్లిదండ్రులు లేని పిల్లలకు, పేద పిల్లల కోసం, అనాథ పిల్లల కోసం ఈ స్కూలు ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ స్కూల్లో మంచి శ్రేష్టమైన కూరగాయలు ఆహారం పెడతారు.
You must get. She is congrats, Matthew. They are all the new children who have come. Congrats, keep it up. Above 800. Congrats, Sandeep. Very, hard-working, cooperative, and they are punctual, and they have done a great job. So children, let's give a good hand for our kids.